a tutti! Welcome back to learning one of our favorite Italian drinks. You can enjoy this in the summer if you go to Italy or pretty much anywhere in Europe. And it's very well known to have before you eat, okay? So it's an aperitivo, which means before you eat. So we're gonna make an Aperol Spritz. If you've ever been to Europe, comment below because I'm sure you came across this drink. So first we need to open up some Prosecco. Apri Prosecco too. You need Aperol. You can find this in the US, you just gotta do some digging, okay? And some sparkling water as well. And we're gonna make 4 drinks right here. So the sparkling water and the Prosecco need about half a cup, okay, for a nice big drink. If not, you can shrink the ingredients. So actually do about a 1/4 cup of sparkling water, that'll be enough. And then the same amount of Prosecco. And you want to buy the dry Prosecco. You don't want the sweet one, okay? Otherwise this is gonna be way too sweet. And then the same amount of Aperol. So a quarter, and a quarter. And that's what gives it that vibrant color. So you can research what Aperol is made out of, but basically it says a couple of bitter, it's pretty bitter, herbs and flowers. So it might be an acquired taste for those of you guys that never had it because it does have a little bitter flavor too. All right, and then we're going to top it off with an orange. Okay. Open it up. All right, lo proviamo? You want to try? Okay. Chin chin.
La salute.
Chin chin. And then you can even put the orange in here if you want.
È buono.
Ciao ciao.
È buono.
Buono.
È buono.